Hey there, welcome to another grammar video for Unit 7, Blue Reading. In this lesson, we're going to talk about adverbs of manner. Let's get started. So a few things you'll need to know to understand this lesson is what an action verb is. You'll also need to know what a noun is, as well as an adjective. If you don't know these things, take a moment to look them up and then come back. In this lesson, we'll discuss adverbs of manner. We'll talk about how to use adverbs of manner, as well as some irregulars. So again, first you need to know what an adjective is. In English, adjectives describe nouns. So for example, the flower is beautiful. Where adverbs, well, these describe verbs. So an example, you sing beautifully. In our example, beautifully is how the subject sings. So adverbs of manner describe the verbs. Note, there are different kinds of adverbs. Let's talk about them. Adverbs of manner usually come after the main verb. For example, I drive quickly. However, sometimes there's a really important object that can't be separated from the verb. So the adverb might come after the object. For example, the teacher explains grammar quickly. Typically, to form an adverb, you simply add ly to the adjective, usually. So again, here we have a list of adjectives on the left, and on the right, you can see their adverbs. Take a moment, pause the video, practice writing some sentences using these adverbs. So adjectives that end in ly, they don't have an adverb. Again, here we have some examples: ugly, friendly, and lonely. In some cases, the adjective is the same as the adverb. For example, hard and fast. So let's check out some sentences, and we have to choose. Is this an adjective that is describing a noun, or is it the adverb that is describing the verb or action? In our first example, math is hard. In this sentence, hard is describing the noun math. Another sentence, I study hard. In this example, hard is describing the action or the verb, so it's an adverb. Another example, the car is fast. In this sentence, fast is describing the noun car, whereas I drive fast. In this sentence, fast describes the action, so it's an adverb of manner. The adjective good has an irregular adverb form. Some examples, the pizza is good. Again, this is an adjective describing the noun pizza. Whereas if I want to use the adverb, I sing well. In this sentence, well is the adverb describing the action to sing. Also note, there's another adjective, well. However, this is different from good. The adjective well means healthy or not sick. For example, how are you? I am well. Or, my mom was sick last week, but now she's well. Now, let's take a practice quiz. As always, pause the video, answer the questions, and once you've finished, hit the play button, and we'll look at your answers. Question 1. The test last week wasn't hard. In this sentence, hard is describing a noun, the test, so it's an adjective. Question 2. I finished fast. In this sentence, fast is talking about the verb or the action, finish. So it's an adverb, be. Question 3. I did well on the test. Again, in this statement, well is not talking about health. It's describing the action, doing something. So be, adverb. Question 4. My mom says I should be a singer. This is crazy. I sing very blank. Again, in this statement, we have a clue. My mom thinks I should sing, but I think it's crazy. That means I'm not a good singer. So we need the adverb, see, badly. Question 5. My father was very blank when he helped me with my homework. As you'll remember from previous slides, We can use adjectives that end in ly, so C is the correct answer. Question 6. My friend walks so fast, it is hard for me to keep up. Usually, I walk blank. So again, if my friend walks very fast, but that's not the case for me, we need the adverb slowly, D. That's it for this lesson. As always, I hope you thought it was useful. Class dismissed.